All right, the single serve Hamilton Beach FlexBrew K-Cup coffee pod maker brewer. Very nice machine. It comes with a 50-ounce reservoir, as you can see. I'm using a 12-ounce cup. Each one of these numbers, 8, 10, 12, 14 ounces. Bold, I always do bold. So I'm going to open this up. The lights are on. Put the pod in. Close the pod. Okay. Hit the 12. Hit the bold. And it actually brews a cup very quickly. As you can see, it's already started up. And I have tested this with water just to see how long it takes. And I knew it had enough time to do the video to make a cup. And there it is. It's a nice machine. The instructions are super simple. They tell you to run cold water through it. I did it a couple of times with nothing, no coffee. Then after every month or so, you need to run vinegar through it to clean it, and then 2 or 3 cycles of cold water after you do the vinegar. I don't know if everybody's going to do it once a month. Most people wouldn't, I'm assuming. But I have, not on this machine, but on another one I have had. I did it about once every 3 months because it said every 150 pods. This one doesn't give a pod number, but so there it is. Here's my cup of Morning Joe, almost ready, in just under a minute, and I think that's awesome. I think this machine is awesome. My sister has one. They work great. It also comes with a basket if you want to do your own coffee in here. You can put your Starbucks or whatever you get that you have, that you like. The basket itself is stored underneath this thing here. It's underneath that, so there it is. Beautiful. Thumbs up.